Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni.
Ka jela Meghalaya shen kan sasaki ya ka jing aji kai haka kam yelek kai football ya ki hybrid ki belakan jo na do south nam hado khalai nam karta. Ya kani ka jing aji kai on sa Plie Paidbah haka khat khandai Tarik mentau banai ka bahap haka sngi sajang. Nakaliang ba Arki Nongrum CEO ka Meghalaya Football Association habakran shikilat pathai kubor. Ulai thu bagani ka senjok ka papet ya ka kami lek kai football haka jela kalak hot but where ya borok ki Paidbah ki ba ye ya ka kami lek kai sports. Ka MFA kala pelong ya kini ka lempong baby league syaki hybrid ka jela da ka jing trelang bat ka AIFF bat ka tata trust. Kumun chikudo ha kini ka lempong ilek kai la phya ikirta haka kerdan saw hadu sansnem hendreo hadu nyosnem bat nyo hadu prasnem khandai hadu shposnem khatway hadu khatarsnem bat khatar hadu khatlaisnem hadu menta kidon hadu khatarli kin huan bala phya da ka MFA kiban yo ji kai na kini ka lempong.
You never had a platform. I myself never had a platform as a kid. But MFA, with Arki's guidance, have got this baby league. So I feel that it's a great opportunity for all the young kids. And so I feel that is, from my part, that I should get a team and let the kids from my area participate in this so that, they can build playing every weekend with different kids from different localities, and so it helps them prepare themselves for the later stages of their, what I would say, if they want to play football in their careers, it would help them, or in fact in their life as well. So playing sports, the competitiveness that it has does help them in whatever field that they pursue in the future. So based on that, I had to take a team.
We want to give a platform to the younger generation, which was lacking in Shillong, in Meghalaya. And we want them to perform, giving them a chance to train and to impart knowledge on football, and giving them an opportunity to compete in tournaments. So that is a good initiative to promote the younger generations, especially the 4 to 5, 6 to 7. That's a really good thing what MFA is doing.
Kucing pecah ni yang kisnong, kucing pecah kisnong ni iba ikanna tolong ba kita terang siapa ni jalakan tanpa Henry kadang pada kucing apa sesnong ni kalau Madan football kalau dah biang ba te nalor kata kawai ba ngismoran bok bang jolat ban kemen ban setengah ban nang ailat ban nang pergi kena dah ba isa agi la ailat ni bang Shimata ni ka baby league te ngala kadang ba kani kadai kalawai ba phnai kaban sawan jong kini ki khon kiti jong
la ban ba ya kadi baby kani ka first edition te kalong kacing ai mesti bi na bopon keleng ba kadi asal ana kontok kani ka ba kemen kinyo le ka sham ta fnam kin learn buon nak i kini jing le ka dia toman pomta te si ha kisnam ki ban wan ila ban guru mahai hatakan kom badi pa.
Mais perlu kita sedang yang di football coaching center lah, mais 6 tahun. Hari ini kita pelajari yang mayo lah. We did not get any chance to participate in any tournament except for under 12. Dah kajuan jom ketika baby league. We hope that we will get a chance to participate since 4 years old boys up to 13 years. So we are very glad and thankful for Arki who can win this baby league, and especially our boys, they are very excited now, and this is the first time we can long experience yani but khamtam ni kalau boleh joki kena hakadong joki berapa.
Kalau kita sutana tanpa hune ba ki kena no ki kena gelak dah ban yo ban sim yang ni tu kumbaga tak sak bakidon adu na lasno gelak konkret kuno ban poi cerita thong andre kalat complete nak betai tuแต่และno nak betai tu kalau long tik kumbaksiong hak pliang dapatแต่kata kata ban kêu rumai isu sana orang tu tik kumbaksiong dicakoi apa pun แต่ kata-kata
ngawan ban yalam na bentai jugi sini nang ban play ya kala namar ba kasap jugi ru ngai ba kadon andrai kala pat kam play na bentai jugi